So do a deep dive on your own and figure out what works for you, because what worked for me may not work necessarily for you. Number 5, aligned with research purpose and questions. Key, key, key. Okay. Each section should support the research problem, as I've mentioned before, your research questions, theoretical framework, okay, theoretical framework, and also rationalization of your methodological approach. That is also important. And you want to maintain clear alignment and logical flow that is linked to your dissertation objectives. Okay, I highly advise you to write those down. I know it's a lot to take in, but to wrap up here, I challenge you to take these following actions to ensure that you have a strong literature review. It works for me, the challenge I'm about to give you, and I know it will work for you too. Okay, number 1, you need an outline to lay out what exactly your paper will be about in your literature review, like by the T. So this is key to ensure that you stay on topic and on track. And this will help you to present your research in a clear and concise manner where your reader, while they're reading your paper, will have a clear understanding of what you're trying to say. It also allows you, to have flow and alignment in your study. That will be something that you experience throughout this journey. Flow and alignment. If there's not clear flow and connection between the chapters and between your sentences and paragraphs and all the different components, you will run into some issues and you may have to retake this particular modular course that focuses on the dissertation part, specifically chapter 2. Number 2 challenge for you. Use the APA style writing guide to cite all your sources. All your research must be properly cited or else you will run into issues. Okay, hear me clearly. You will have struggles. So make sure that you have a hard copy of the APA 7 manual. Matter of fact, keep it on your nightstand. That's what I did to keep me alive and for me to keep, pulse on it. And also your in-text citation must also be properly listed in alphabetical order, like I discussed earlier. It can't be Smith and then Johnson. Okay, it's Johnson, then Smith, alphabetically. Be quick to make corrections on those if you find errors within your in-text citation, because those will add up quickly. You'll bookmark it or add a little, review here or comment, and then you're moving on to the next chapter. You may miss something. So the moment you recognize errors like that within your in-text citations, just fix it. Also, these sources that you're using for your in-text citation, again, 5 to 10 years current. For the foundational basis of your paper, specifically in chapter 1, you may have some that run beyond that 10-year mark, but please run those by your chair, your advisor before you incorporate those, okay? Have a clear approval of those first. Don't just go ahead and do it. Please do that, because the moment you start going off rail and going off doing your own things, you will run into trouble. And again, this video overall is for educational purposes only and personal use as well. Okay, please take all guidance and all instructions from your chair and your committee member. They are there to help you, and they're so committed to your success, whether you believe that or not, but they truly do. Number 3, take good notes on especially the gap in your research. As you go through all the facts and evidence on your topic, make note of these gaps. Some of these gaps may be answered in other articles, as I have mentioned, So ensure that, you're doing your due diligence by searching all the databases that are available on your all the available databases, because there's so many, and be able to search those keywords on your topic to make sure there's no loopholes, or there's like outliers there, which there will be, but you want to lower that as much as you can. Also, think about how your study could fill those gaps and potentially advance research within your topic, and also overall within your field of expertise. All right. So I challenge you. I am challenging you, and I'm going to hold your hand to this, that you at least try to apply these 3 things that I've discussed. And I'll be sharing, as I said earlier, my own literature review. I'll be adding that on my Substack page for your enjoyment, to make your life a little easier along this process. And this will have a breakdown, a full detailed breakdown on each portion of my manuscript, so that you can reference it as a guide to help you along your journey. This is why I really created this channel, because I wanted to give back. I know how painful it was for me to really understand and to work all the parts of my manuscript together and figuring this stuff out on my own and online as well. But this is why I created this community and platform, and I really want to give back. So I will be providing that. And be on the lookout for this resource. Like I said, please be on the lookout for that. And also my master task list. I haven't forgot. I will be wrapping that up soon and launching that as well on my page, so that you have access to it, because access gives you freedom and gives you more opportunity to dive even deeper into your study and to help you along the way. It really does. It opens the portal. Yeah. Access opens the portal and the floodgate for all new information and for creativity to take place. Okay. All right. So to wrap up here, pro tips that I want to share. Embrace writing as an iterative process. My cheer always knocked that one on me, so I'm telling you now. Draft, revise, rewrite, refine. It's like a constant cycle. Keep doing that. Stay focused on details, alignment, and thematic patterns as your review develops. It's a developing process. This don't happen overnight. All right, it does not. I appreciate you all so much for being here. If you want more content like this, please like, share, subscribe to my Substack page and YouTube channel at Anna Blueprint. I will be linking that below so you can access the link there. This again, final words here. The overall dissertation process can be so overwhelming. It can be so overwhelming. So take deep breaths. You are on the right track and you're making great progress. I'm rooting for you. I'm cheering you on. I'm praying for you in my prayers at night. I hope to see you in the next video. Don't lose hope. Don't lose faith. And fight the good fight, as they would say. Until next time, bye for now.